Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can stop GIFs from playing automatically on Discord. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct version of Discord or your interface is updated so that you will be able to actually do this. So the first thing that you will do after opening Discord, you will click this gear icon right here, and then what you will have to do is go to accessibility, and once you're here, just scroll down a little until you see um, this. So what you will do is basically once you're on the reduce motion section, you will see this right here which says automatically play GAFs when Discord is focused. So as you can see, it is enabled. So what you will just have to do is disable it by clicking it, and that's basically just it. And now your GIFs will stop playing automatically on Discord. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.